In this video, I'm going to be covering what I believe is the best VPN for the Amazon Fire TV. And also in this video, guys, I'm going to be connecting to a geo-blocked server using this VPN, just so you can see that this is 100% working. Let's get started. So as you can see, guys, I'm over here on my Amazon Fire TV, and I've been using this product for just over a month now, and I originally came from the Apple TV, and I've actually been blown away by what you can actually do with this certain product. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and downloaded such platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, and I've also gone ahead and downloaded Disney Plus as well. And while I've been doing this, I've also been downloading a few VPNs such as ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, IPVanish, and PureVPN. So I actually have accounts with all 5 of these providers, and I've tried each of these platforms on the Amazon Fire TV stick. So while each of these do go ahead and change your IP address, especially if you're using third-party APKs for watching free movies and TV shows, unfortunately not all of these do work for accessing all the different geo-blocked versions of Netflix. So throughout my time of using all of these VPNs, my personal favorite would definitely have to be ExpressVPN. And this is mainly because I've found them to be the most reliable for accessing multiple different versions of Netflix, whether that's the UK, Japan, India, the United States, and the list pretty much does go on. And on top of their reliability, I've found them to be the fastest as well. So while I've also been using IPVanish during this same time, I would say ExpressVPN is just a little bit faster when it comes to streaming. And as for connecting to multiple locations, I'd say both of them do a really good job. So before I go ahead and open up ExpressVPN, guys, the first thing I want to show you guys is my Netflix account, as I'll be going ahead and connecting to a server. And I just want to show you guys a before and after comparison, just so you can see it's actually working for accessing our geo-blocked content. So I'll just go over to my Netflix account. And like I said, I'm located here in Australia, so this means I'm missing out on thousands of TV shows and movies that can only be found on other versions of Netflix. And just to show you guys an example of this, I'll go ahead and search for the TV show Friends. And this is actually only available in the United Kingdom. So even if you're in the US, unfortunately, you won't be able to watch this. So this is one of the main advantages for using a VPN. So I'll just go ahead and search for Friends. And I'll go ahead and search for it down here. And as you can see, guys, the Friends TV show is not available. And at the moment, I'm not connected to any VPNs whatsoever. So if I want to go ahead and fix this, I can easily go ahead and open up ExpressVPN. So I'll go back to the home page. And if you haven't got ExpressVPN installed onto your Amazon Fire TV, you can easily download it by going to the search area and then go ahead and search for ExpressVPN. And as soon as you put in the first couple of letters, it will be a recommended search result down the bottom. So you can just go ahead and click on that one. And then you can just go ahead and download this and install it onto your Amazon Fire TV. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and open it up. And I'll just go launch without updating, as there is an update available. And if you are looking to get started with ExpressVPN, I actually do have a massive 35% discount link down below in the video description. So don't forget to check that out if you are looking to sign up with ExpressVPN. So once you go ahead and download and sign in with your ExpressVPN account, this is what you'll be greeted with. And from my own experience, this is by far one of the more easy kind of user interfaces to navigate. You can just go ahead and press this button, and this will go ahead and connect you to the fastest server closer to your proximity. So if you are using kind of any third-party APKs on your Amazon Fire TV, then this is a really awesome option, as it will kind of change your IP address so your internet service provider can't kind of track what you're watching and what you're kind of downloading. Alternatively, if you want to go ahead and change your location so you can view different content, you can easily do that by clicking on this big rectangular button with the 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that one. So once you're here, you now have the ability to go ahead and scroll down this menu of various locations that are available. Or alternatively, you can go ahead to the top right hand corner and search for a particular city or location that you would like to connect to. So in this instance, I want to go ahead and connect to a server in the United Kingdom because I want to go ahead and watch the Friends TV show. So I'll just go ahead and click on this one. And this will go ahead and connect me to the fastest server in the UK. And once this is highlighted in green, this just notifies me that my entire Amazon Fire TV stick is now connected to a server in the UK. And just as a quick side note, with this same subscription to ExpressVPN, you can also go ahead and download it onto your laptop, your iPhone and Android device, and stream on the go and pretty much wherever you would like to watch content. So now that I'm connected to a UK-based server, I'll go back to my Netflix account and again try and access that TV show. So I'll navigate back to the home. I'll go and open Netflix again. And sometimes I do find it is helpful to just navigate back to the home page of Netflix, as this actually goes ahead and refreshes it onto the UK-based version of Netflix or whatever version you are trying to access. So whether you're in the United States and you're trying to access the Australian version, this is still a really good step to take. So now I can go back and search for TV shows. So now I'll go ahead and search for Friends. Let's go ahead and search for that one. And as you can see, guys, we now have the Friends TV show available. So it really is that quick and simple on how to access additional content that may be behind like a geo-blocked restriction wall. So what I'm actually going to do now that I don't see a lot of videos do is actually go ahead and play a really small piece of content in real time, as a lot of VPNs do allow you to get this far. But once you actually go ahead and try to play a TV show or movie, Netflix will actually detect that you're using a VPN and it will actually prevent you from watching any content whatsoever. So I'll just go ahead and play this now. I'll just go ahead and that one, press play. And as you can see, guys, we're getting the buffering wheel. And this is actually pretty typical for using a VPN, as I'm actually sending a signal to the UK and it's coming back to me. But as you can see, guys, the stream is now working with no issues whatsoever. So there you have it, guys. That's my quick overview of ExpressVPN and why I believe they're one of the best providers for the Amazon Fire TV stick, whether you're looking to hide your IP address, access third-party APKs, or even access geo-blocked content like myself. And again, if you are looking to get started with them, don't forget to check out the massive 35% discount link down below in the video description. And also, if you have any questions about ExpressVPN or Amazon Fire TV sticks, then feel free to comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And I actually also have a review of the Amazon Fire TV stick coming out, so stay tuned for that one as well. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.